Welcome back, guys. In the last 3 days or so, we've seen the Ethereum price come down as low as 15%, currently down about 13.2%. And what we're going to look at in this video are the key levels of support, resistance, and what I anticipate Ethereum to happen next. In my last video, we were talking about this rising, ascending, tightening wedge, and we're going to talk about my next price target and beyond that as well. So if that sounds good, please show your support as usual by obliterating the like button. It really does help. Subscribe and turn that bell on for future videos as well. So the other day, yesterday in fact, in our Telegram trade setups channel, by the way, if you're not part of that free trade setups channel, the link is in the video description down below. Just click that link and you can join. What we were talking about in that trade setups channel is this trade. This is the trade I was talking about. Basically, when we were trading at $1,240, I put a short signal in, and lo and behold, we have come down. And just recently, I've actually said to the guys, I'm closing 75% of this position, and I'm going to be showing you the reason why I've done that now. So we're basically coming into key support here, and it wasn't clear at first if it would hold, but it has held. It's a monthly level and a weekly level. Now this significant support in the chart is between around $1,100 and $1,130. So because that support is held, I've actually closed my trade for profit, and I've only left 25% of it open. Now I am looking to open up a short rebound trade, a long position, up to the next level, and that trade is this one. I'll just show it to you in this format. It's probably the clearest and easiest. I can talk to you about the risk to reward ratio as well. Risk and reward, guys, correct money management is one of the key fundamentals of being a profitable and consistent trader. So right now we're seeing a risk to reward ratio of just over 3-to-1, which is great. We're also seeing an upside potential of 7.1%. and we're seeing a downside exposure of 2.26%. So if the trade comes off, we're going to win 7%. If it loses, we lose 2.26%. That's of course without using leverage. For example, if you had a 10x leverage trade, that's going to be 70% gains. The loss could be potentially 22.6% losses. So just before I talk to you about my next levels beyond what I'm talking about here, I'm going to open up that trade with you right now. A lot of you probably know that I'm now doing a lot of my trading on Bitget in addition to Bybit. Reason being, I think it's a great platform for their products, their security, their customer service. They have a brilliant copy trading feature where you can copy pro traders passively. Even I like to copy other traders because when I'm making YouTube videos, I can still earn passively in crypto. It's really good. In fact, I made a video how to copy traders on Bitget. You can check it in the video description. But also, guys, using my specific link, you can get a huge bonus if you're one of the first 100. Now, $4,163, that's the initial bonus. That's up to, that's depending on what you deposit. When you click on the link, it'll explain how you can win that. But in addition, there's a guaranteed easy reward, $150 for the first 100 signups. At the moment, there's about 74 when I last checked this morning. So there's about 26 positions left, plus $10 for sign up, plus 10% on your deposit up to $1,000. So check that link out, click on that link. You can start trading on Bitget as well. So I'm going to show you exactly how I use it. I'm actually going to open up a position right now for Ethereum. We're going to set a market order. As you can see at the moment, I've only got $150 in this part of my account, in my futures trading account, but that's enough basically for this trade because it's leveraged 25 times, which means my actual position is going to be 3.34 Ethereum. So I'm going to open that trade, and you can see, ding ding, it opens the trade position. The target I'm looking at for this one is approximately up at $1,184. And you can set a take profit or you can close it manually. The most important thing to make note of, guys, is your liquidation price. Liquidation is very important. My liquidation price in this instance is $1,075, and you can see that that is below my stop loss. So all good. I'm happy with that trade. So let's look beyond this, guys. Let's see where the price action is set to go beyond these levels. That's more short term. I'm still anticipating the price action to fall lower. This is a rising tightening wedge, and ultimately just to show you in kind of a rough hand, I am expecting it to do that and then come down again to retest at least this daily level back at $1,000 and potentially lower. You have to remember we still have this 200-week moving average, which is up at $1,200, and that's another reason, by the way, guys, I'm only targeting this sort of $1,180 level, excuse me, $1,180. Yeah, that's correct. And I don't want to go beyond that yet. So what we also have to contend with right now is if you zoom out a bit further into the daily chart, in fact, better if I show you on our logarithmic chart for Ethereum. This is still an Ethereum chart, but we're looking at it on the weekly. And in fact, if you're interested in these longer term trends, when to buy, when to sell for your more long-term trade positions, I made these two videos in the last couple of days. My Ethereum logarithmic chart analysis, very good video, a lot of views already, and I made one for Bitcoin. So I do recommend checking out these videos. The links will be in the video description down below. I'll try and put a card up there as well. But with these longer term trades, you can see that there's still room to the downside where we could come down to the support, another 63%, perhaps even lower, which would take us down to about $423. That level would also be a significant, you can see, if I marry it up here on a horizontal line, you can see how that is support, previous resistance as well. So that's where I'm anticipating the price of Ethereum will still come down to. It could take another few months to get down to these levels, but ultimately, even if we do a little upward movement, we are in this downward trend, and I'm expecting lower Ethereum prices. Let me know, guys, in the comments, do you agree with that? If you don't, feel free, let me know. Also, whilst you're down there, if I provided value, make sure you hit that like button. And what would be even more appreciated is share this, guys. Share this in your own Telegram communities, on Twitter, Facebook, wherever you have friends that may be interested or communities that may be interested. Once again, guys, join our free trade setups channel, link down below. I'm on Twitter, by the way, guys, at Marzell Money. I posted this earlier today. Is Bitcoin dead? This is the search trends on Google Trends right now. It's quite funny because look, it's at an all-time high. Is Bitcoin dead? I believe that's the time to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. What do you think? Anyway, guys, thanks for joining me. Check out any one of these videos on screen before you go, and I'll see you on another video. Take care. Bye-bye.